chocolate lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a super easy and delicious treat for you, a chocolate Oreo milkshake. My dad made this for me, and I just had to share it with you all. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 3 Oreo biscuits. 1 glass of boiled milk. 2 tablespoons of Nutella or Hershey's chocolate spread. First, take 3 Oreo biscuits and grind them into a fine powder using a mixer. Just pop them in and give it a good whiz. Once your Oreos are finely ground, add a glass of boiled milk to the mixer jar. Make sure the milk is still warm, but not too hot. Now, turn on the mixer again to blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. Time for the best part, the chocolate. Add 2 tablespoons of Nutella or Hershey's chocolate spread. If you're a chocolate fanatic like me, feel free to add a bit more. Blend it again until everything is perfectly mixed. To get a super smooth milkshake, we're going to filter it to remove any clotted cream or bits that didn't mix in. And there you have it, a rich, creamy, and chocolatey Oreo milkshake. Just pour it into a glass, and you're ready to enjoy.
What's that?
Which one milkshake is this, Mama?
It's an Oreo milkshake.
What's the thick stuff on top?
Oreo.
The cream? Like the
Cream, exactly.
Couldn't you make it like yesterday?
How's it?
Good. Everyone come to Pappa's restaurant. Everyday chocolate. On the menu is you can make your own chocolate milkshake and you can drink the regular or the Oreo. You can have it with whipped cream or you can have chocolate with marshmallows or without marshmallows. You can have a milkshake with marshmallows or with whipped cream or without whipped cream.